Do you know the signs of kidney danger? The importance of our kidneys is often overlooked, yet these fist-sized powerhouses perform a myriad of essential functions. They're like the unsung heroes of our bodies, quietly working behind the scenes to filter our blood, remove waste, balance electrolytes, and even help regulate blood pressure. However, like any hero, they're not invincible. There are several threats to our kidneys' health, with hypertension, diabetes, and certain genetic conditions being common culprits. These can cause our kidneys to falter, and when they do, the consequences can be severe. It's often said that prevention is better than cure, and this couldn't be more true when it comes to kidney health. Knowing the signs of kidney danger can make all the difference, allowing you to act swiftly and decisively to prevent further damage. Understanding the signs of kidney problems can help you act fast and prevent further damage. First off, let's look at changes in urination. Now, kidneys, those two bean-shaped organs, play a vital role in filtering out waste and excess fluids from our bodies. So when you notice shifts in your urination patterns, it's like your kidneys are sending you a coded message. You might see changes in the frequency, urgency, or the color and smell of your urine. You might also feel pain during urination or even notice blood. Moving on to our second sign, swelling. Kidneys help regulate the body's fluid levels. When they're not working properly, excess fluid can build up, leading to swelling, particularly in the hands, feet, and ankles. It's like your body is literally swelling up with a cry for help. These signs may seem common, but they can indicate something serious when they persist. So remember, your body is always communicating with you. It's up to us to listen and act. Feeling unusually tired or noticing skin rashes. Your kidneys might be sending you signals. When your kidneys are not working as they should, they may fail to filter out toxins effectively. These toxins can build up in your body, leading to a constant state of fatigue. You may find yourself needing more sleep than usual, or feeling lethargic even after a full night's rest. Now let's talk about skin rashes. When your kidneys are unable to remove waste from the bloodstream efficiently, the accumulation of these wastes can cause severe itching and skin rashes. This isn't your everyday itch or rash, but a persistent discomfort that doesn't seem to go away with usual remedies. These signs might seem common or trivial, but it's essential to listen to your body. Are you experiencing unexplained fatigue along with persistent skin rashes? It may not just be a case of being overworked or having an allergic reaction. Don't ignore these signs. They might be your kidneys crying out for help. A metallic taste in your mouth or shortness of breath can also be signs of kidney trouble. Now, you might be wondering, how on earth do these two seemingly unrelated symptoms tie into kidney health? Well, let's break it down. The peculiar metallic taste, often described as a bad taste in the mouth, is actually due to a buildup of toxins. When your kidneys aren't functioning properly, they can't filter out these toxins efficiently. Consequently, these toxins linger in your bloodstream and can alter your sense of taste. As for the shortness of breath, it's not a direct result of kidney malfunction, but rather a domino effect. When kidneys aren't performing up to par, fluid in the body can build up in the lungs. And what happens when your lungs are filled with fluid? You guessed it, you experience shortness of breath. It's crucial to remember that these symptoms aren't just random issues. These are not just random issues. They might be warnings from your kidneys. Last but not least, let's talk about back pain and high blood pressure. Now, back pain, specifically lower back pain, can often be a sign of kidney trouble. The kidneys are located towards your back, just below your rib cage. So discomfort in this area shouldn't be taken lightly. It could be an indication of kidney stones or even an infection. Moving on to high blood pressure, it's a bit of a two-way street. Not only can chronic high blood pressure be a result of kidney disease, it can also cause damage to the kidneys over time. You see, your kidneys act as natural filters, and high blood pressure can put a strain on these filters. Over time, this strain can lead to kidney damage. So, if you're experiencing persistent back pain or have been diagnosed with high blood pressure, it might be worth having a chat with your doctor about your kidney health. Remember, back pain and high blood pressure aren't always just stress-related. To sum it up, your kidneys may be in danger if you're experiencing these 8 signs. Let's take a quick journey back through the symptoms we've covered, shall we? First off, we have changes in urination. If your bathroom habits are taking an unexpected turn, it could be a cry for help from your kidneys. Then, we've got swelling. Your kidneys are the unsung heroes of fluid management. If they're on strike, fluid might just decide to hang out in your body, causing unwanted swelling. Next up, fatigue and skin rashes. Your kidneys are like the VIP guests at the energy production party, and without them, you're left feeling drained. Skin rashes, on the other hand, are a sign that your kidneys might be failing at their waste management job. Then, we have the metallic taste in the mouth and shortness of breath. A buildup of toxins in your blood, courtesy of your kidneys taking a break, can leave a nasty taste in your mouth. And if your kidneys aren't producing enough of the oxygen-carrying red blood cells, you might find yourself gasping for breath. Lastly, we've got back pain and high blood pressure. Kidneys in distress can send SOS signals in the form of back pain, and when your kidneys aren't filtering out the extra fluid, your blood pressure can skyrocket. These are your body's smoke signals, folks. Catching these signs early and seeking medical attention is not just important, it's life-saving. Your kidneys aren't just a couple of bean-shaped organs lounging in your body. They're your body's hard-working waste disposal system, your fluid balance experts, and your red blood cell producers. So if you notice any of these signs, don't just brush them off. Seek help. Be proactive about your health. Remember, your body is an intricate system and every part plays a vital role. Your kidneys are no exception. Your kidneys are vital for your health. Don't take them for granted. Pay attention to these signs and take action promptly to protect your health.